single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day.
Hello, we arrived at Zevenkerken Abbey. In 1942 the German soldiers had taken over this abbey. They used it before the Germans took it over for a field hospital, and when the Germans took it over, it became a location to plan the Atlantic Wall, and the Organization Todt has taken it over. So we're gonna visit the abbey and also some bunkers that are left over at the border of the abbey, and there's also a wall left and some trenches. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm here with Martina.
Hi.
Well, there you are. Okay, this is Martina, and so let's have a look. Hey there. We arrived at two bunkers left over from the Second World War, and these are part of an abbey in Zevenkerken. We have a look around here and show you the bunkers. So let's have a look. So this is one of the bunkers here. You can see there's a shooting hole here. And there's another one. It's all grown with veins. There's another one back way over there, but maybe we can get in this one.
You can have a view from the entrance gate.
Ah, okay.
But you have to be careful.
Yeah, I have to be careful. So I already made a face plant before, last week. So let's try it.
I will pull you up.
I am
Yeah.
here.
Okay. So I will.
Oh, there's an entrance here.
Yeah, a little entrance.
Oh, okay.
You have the entrance.
Let's have a look.
I don't know if you can get in.
It's very small.
Otherwise I will crawl in.
Oh, there's a small entrance. Okay, but you can't get in here. No, and it's also underwater.
Okay.
So, but this is the entrance. So let's have a look from way back here to see how it looks. So this is how it looks from the back of this wall. So this is the small bunker, and there's a wall here, and after this wall there was a trench before. So the trenches were behind those bushes and the wall, and they could hide here. So let's have a look. Yeah, there's not much left over.
No.
Oh look, there's some signs on the wall.
Is that from the wall?
Yeah, I guess it's from the war.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a flag.
Ah, it's a flag.
Yeah, it's something like a flag, or
Oh.
yeah, and shields also. There are shields on it too.
Oh.
Shields from the city here. So yeah, it's an old remain. Crazy. Could we get to the other one from here, or?
I don't think so.
No, it's all bush here. So maybe we go back on foot to have a look there. But yeah, sorry guys, I can't get in there. It's all closed up, and there's an entrance, but the entrance is underwater and very small. And if you know me, I'm very big and I will never fit in there. So this is the entrance another time. I was a little stuck here. Ooh. Whoa. Okay. My wife is stuck in a trench. She got stuck in a trench.
Oh my god, I can't get out.
Can't you get out?
No.
I help you. Wait. I made a jump.
I will go there.
Give me a hand. Give me a hand. And yes, come up. You're very lucky, I'm very strong.
Yeah.
Ah, look.
Okay.
Concrete casemates, remnants of the fortifications built by the German occupier around the Abbey of Zevenkerken during the Second World War. That is what you have seen just before, where we have walked. And during the war, the Abbey initially housed a field hospital. But in 1942, the German occupier gave the order to evacuate the buildings and confiscate them in order to house the Organization Todt, which was responsible, among other things, for the development of the Atlantic Wall. The roofs of the abbey were painted with red crosses to give the impression of a hospital. In addition, the surroundings of the abbey are strengthened, including 2 bunkers. I have shown you these bunkers before, in the garden, and the concrete casemates interconnected by trenches around the walls of the abbey. No entrances. Maybe the other side?
No,
It's the other side. It's the other side, man.
No exits. It's an
Okay, no
entrance,
exit.
no exit.
Okay, sorry. My mistake. So this was the inside of the church. The abbey itself we can't go in because it's a school, and yeah, also with the recent pandemic it's impossible to get in there. But no, you have seen everything here, and this is...
There's also a nice parking space here for campers also.
Yes, you can camp here for one night, but that's all. One night is possible, but I don't think it's good for more. So you can park here at the residence.
And also make a walk in the forest. There's also a forest there.
Yeah, that's right. So see you later, guys, and have a nice day. Bye bye. Oh, and by the way, if you want to follow me, then my wife will show you how you do that. So start it.
Yeah.
So if you want to follow me, look good. This is my back. This is how I see you. You see me from the back, so you can follow me wherever I go now. So I hope you have seen it good, and thanks for watching. You can also subscribe if you like. So, but that was a joke. It's all about it.